Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima, the morning news read by Kahar Chisate. Union Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Skill Development, Rajiv Chandrasekhar inaugurated the Entrepreneurship Development Center at the Industrial Training Institution ITI complex in Kohima yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, the Union Minister said his visit to Nagaland was to meet the students, faculties and people who run the institutions that are changing lives. He said in the post-COVID world, India is going to play a much bigger role in terms of manufacturing, information technology and electronics. In this regard, he said there is a growing need for young people who are skilled, trained and motivated to get into these jobs as professionals or entrepreneurs. The Union Minister said to prepare the young people for these roles, the ITI network is doing its best. Also addressing the program, Advisor for Industries and Commerce, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Imna Tiba highlighted the present situation of industries in Nagaland like the Tuli pepper mill and the sugar mill, which has come to a standstill. He added that the Export Promotion Center, which was set up with world-class facilities, has also failed to attract investors. During the program, Rajiv Chandrasekhar presented certificate and trophy to Sentipandang Jamir, who secured the first rank in the All India Trade Test for Craftsman Training Scheme 2020. Earlier, the Union Minister planted a tree sapling at the Industrial Training Institution, Kohima, and unveiled the Entrepreneurship Development Center plaque. Nagaland unit of BJP along with Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Electronics and IT, Rajiv Chandrasekhar celebrated the 71st birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday at the State BJP office in Kohima. During the celebration, Chandrasekhar lauded Prime Minister Modi for bridging the gap between the citizens and the government. He said, Modi's philosophy has always been Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. Emphasizing on the models of the Karyakarta, Chandrasekhar said, the mission is to contribute in building a new country. National BJP spokesperson and State Advisor for Information Technology and Communication, Munlu Mukhikon said, BJP is a party with a difference where its leaders are intricately connected with every Karyakarta. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launched countrywide free telemedicine consultation cum drugs facility on the occasion of birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday. The minister also announced that Jigyasa, a student scientist connect program of the Ministry of Science and Technology, will be extended to cover schools in over 700 districts of India within 1 year. The program, jointly executed with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, is currently operational in 170 districts of the country. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said, India will take a leading position in production of millets. Tomar said that the centre is taking necessary steps to achieve nutrition security along with food security. Inaugurating the two-day Nutri-Cereal Multi-Stakeholders Mega Convention 3.0 at Hyderabad yesterday, the Union Minister said it was upon India's initiative that the United Nations declared year 2023 as the International Year of Millets. He said millets in daily diet will fight malnutrition. Tomar said central government has announced various packages under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund worth 1.5 lakh crore rupees to fill the gaps in the agriculture sector. He said that to encourage the next generation to invest in agriculture and to ensure profitable yields for the crops, new farm laws have to be enacted. The minister highlighted that the government is going to spend 6,850 crore rupees to set up 10,000 new farmers producing organizations, FPOs, and as a result, lives of about 86% of farmers will be transformed. And as the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, Maintain 6 feet for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we come to the end of morning news. Have a nice day.